अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पोस्ट हमजा की इस वीडियो में मैं हमजा का वेलकम करता हूँ। कल वीडियो नहीं मैंने अपलोड की थी। कोशिश यही थी कि कल दोनों मैचेस को कंबाइन करके आज एक वीलॉग अपलोड करूँ और उसी चीज़ पे है। तो कल पाकिस्तान का मैच था एंड पाकिस्तान जिम्बाब्वे से जो है वो हार गया। खैर नो वरीज, हार जीत होती रहती है। लड़कों ने कल पिच थोड़ी मुश्किल थी, लेकिन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हसनैन is a point of concern for me. Again and again he is not learning the way he bowls. He just knows how to bounce the ball and that's it, and he doesn't know what line he wants to bowl. Mostly he is bowling on the pads or drifting away from the pads, from which it is very easy for the batsmen to hit him for 4 and 6s, and that's what we saw yesterday. In 3 overs, while chasing 133, Zimbabwe were 40 runs for no wicket. Then came Salman Ali Agha and the spinners. They handled the situation well, and they put the stop to the Zimbabwe's aggressive attack, and wickets start to fell apart. But the matter of fact is that even after that, the run rate was not so good. But you can say that Zimbabwe batsman was struggling a lot against the spin, and they were playing very cautiously. They were just trying to avoid a collapse, but they did collapse eventually, and it was looking a very difficult situation for Zimbabwe while they were playing, and it was looking that Pakistan is going to claim the series 3-0. But then in over number 20, 6 balls, 12 runs are required, and then Jahandar ball, first ball bouncer, slow ball bouncer. To be honest, yeah, the ball was good. The batsman was coming down the track and somehow managed to have a glove, and it goes past the keeper and away for the 4. And then he bowled a pretty slow ball again on the bat, and the batsman wagged it for the 6. And then it was a very difficult case for Pakistan. Pakistan did eventually lost the match, but kudos to everyone, the way we fought after being so bad in the first few overs, and then having a comeback. The matter of the point is this series shall be remembered as one of very key moments to highlight. And we saw Tayyib Tahir, we saw Qasim Akram in the last match playing, and situation is like that yes, we have some talent, we need to groom them, and we should groom them. बात ये, जब तक हम अपने अपने टैलेंट को ग्रूम नहीं करेंगे तब तक कोई फायदा ही नहीं है ना। फायदा नहीं है तब तक हमें अपने अपने टैलेंट को ग्रूम करना है। हमें अपने टैलेंट को ग्रूम करना है, और हमें टैलेंट को ग्रूम ऐसे ही करना है कि जो हल्की हल्की सीरीज हो वहाँ पे आप खिलाओ। पाकिस्तान में आप अपने नए टैलेंट को खिलाओ, चांस दो उनको, जितने ज़्यादा चांस दे सकते हो आप दो उनको। ऐसे ही वो ग्रो करेंगे। बीट का तैयब ताहिर, कासिम अकरम, कामरान गुलाम, ये सब बेहतरीन प्लेयर हैं और ये पाकिस्तान का फ्यूचर है। उमर बिन यूसुफ जिस तरह पहले खेल रहे थे, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं ये फ्यूचर का प्रोस्पेक्ट है और फ्यूचर पाकिस्तान का ब्राइट है। सिचुएशंस अगेन, देन उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं आज एशिया कप अंडर 19 का मैच था, एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हूँ आज के मैच के बारे में। यस, आप कह सकते हैं, बट मुझे लड़कों से उतना गिला नहीं है जितना मुझे इस मैनेजमेंट से है, हमारे माइंडसेट से है। अजीब व गरीब माइंडसेट है यार हमारे कोचेस का। हमारे कोचेस यहाँ पे हमारे बैट्समैन को उसकी अग्रेसिव गेम नहीं खेलने देंगे, और या तो टिक के खेलता रहा है, टिप टिप टिप। यार क्या गेम है ये, फजूल तरीन गेम है। क्या मिल जाएगा, बॉल रोक 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 रोक। याद रखना चाहिए, बॉलर को सिर्फ एक बॉल चाहिए 60 डिलीवरीज में आउट करने के लिए, लेकिन बैट्समैन को एक बॉल ही काफी है फेलियर होने के लिए। आप हर बॉल उनसे टिप करवाई जा रहे हो। ठीक है, स्टार्ट में 2 आउट हो गए, आपने 10 ओवर रिबिल्ड किया, 7 बेग, और वो खेल रहे थे 7 बेग आउट होगा, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है। रन आउट हो गया अहमद, आपको स्कोर तो करना है। रियाजुल्लाह जो है वो स्कोर कर रहा था 20 से, मेरे ख्याल से 20-22 रन थे उसके 40 बॉलों पे। आप यकीन माने वो बंदा 29 पे आउट हुआ है 70 बॉलें खेल के, यानी कि उसने अगले 7 रन सिर्फ 30-35 बॉलों पे किए। तो क्या स्ट्राइक रोटेशन नहीं सिखाई जाती है आपको? सिर्फ बल्ला रोकना ही तो नहीं है आर्ट ना, आपको रन भी चलाने हैं। उनको आपने दिए हैं कि हम खेलेंगे खेलेंगे, भाई कौन सी क्रिकेट खेलते हो? सबसे बेहतर फॉर्म ऑफ डिफेंस ही, सबसे फॉर्म स्कोर करने का तरीका ही, जब वो अटैक कर रहे हो तो आप काउंटर अटैक करो। आपका काउंटर अटैक कहां था? आपका काउंटर अटैक आता है 6 आउट होने के बाद 84 पे, जहां पे फरहान आके छक्के मारता है, वहां पे वो क्विक 30 रन करता है और वो जैसे ही आउट होता है आपकी टीम लाइन लग जाती है। अजीब आपकी, मुझे तो हमारे कोचेस की मेंटालिटी समझ नहीं आती। और ये साहब जो हैं माशाल्लाह से जियो पे भी आते रहे, हमारे बैट्समैन में ये कमी है। सर आप कोच हैं, आप माजर जान छोड़ दें हमारी, हमें बहुत ज़रूरत है, हमें अंडर 19 में उन प्लेयर्स को लाने की ज़रूरत है, उन प्लेयर्स को लाने की ज़रूरत है जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान के लिए बहुत सर्व किया है, जो दिलेर खेलते थे, उनको लेके आए, उनको पैसा दें। मुफ्ते में कोई काम नहीं करेगा ना। अपनी क्रिकेट को डेवलप करें सर, मजाक बना के रख दिया आप लोगों ने। वो हंसी जा रहे हैं, ऐनक लगा के हंसी जा रहे हैं, आउट हो जा रहे हैं लड़के, उनको समझा नहीं रहा। अगर आप बांग्लादेश की देखते, वो अपने एम के साथ ऐसे उन्होंने जीतना। आज उनके बॉलर्स को बॉलिंग कोच पीछे से बार बार ये तूने ऐसे करना, तूने ऐसे करना है। हमारे बैट्समैन को क्या बता रहे थे कि रोकना है, 50 ओवर खेलने, ये समझाया था 50 में 37 ओवर नहीं खेल सके। अगर यही 37 में 200 कर लेते तो 200 में चेज नहीं करने देना था। ये मुझे यकीन है कि जितनी अच्छी बॉलिंग थी। अगेन हम को सीरियस होना पड़ेगा, हमें अच्छे बॉलिंग कोच, हमें अच्छा बैटिंग कोच अंडर 19 के साथ बिग नेम, और उतना ही अच्छा हेड कोच यार लगाना होगा अगर हमें अपने प्लेयर्स को वो देना है। मैं तो कहता हूँ, इफ आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट विद माई सेल्फ एंड with the structure itself, it's a very pathetic structure. When you say that we have indulged domestic circuit into department cricket has ruined your cricket again and again. When it was being played between 6 regions, they were very best players. They were the cream of Pakistan domestic circuit, and we had some players. We had some wonderful players coming from there as well. Now we see players playing, and we have 20 odd teams, and they are coming from that, and some players are scoring out of nowhere. We don't know what bowlers they are playing. We just see 5 matches and this score. We don't see what kind of bowler he has faced or what kind of pitch he was batting on. For me, if I am being honest with myself, if I want the best for my batters, I should make pitches that will test the Pakistani batters that are going to come in the future. I'm not going to make flat pitches for the Pakistani batters in domestic circuit to hit. I'm going to give them a tough time where they have to struggle for their runs, where they have to fight for a single as well. Because if they will face this kind of situation, then they will be able to perform in difficult situations as well. So I think that Pakistan Cricket Board should look into this, and they should make pitches that are not only batting friendly but also bowling friendly as well. If the match score is going between 200 to 250 and it is competitive, I am okay with that. I'm not okay with that if the first team is scoring 500, another team is scoring 650 and the match is getting drawn, because this is not giving me anything, or this is not in the benefits of Pakistan cricket team. Yes, you can say that the amount of score is being scored and the people are getting entertained, but to be honest, if I'm being honest, this is not the cricket we love. We saw Pakistan was playing in Multan, and then it was a flat track, and England managed to score 850 runs. Pakistan scored 550. We were very happy. Pakistan scored 550, and England in reply scored above 850, and then we went on to have a humiliation defeat. Similarly, in other matches in the other 2 matches, Pakistan made some changes. and bowled and made a bowlers friendly pitch where it was difficult for our batsmen as well their batsmen to score runs, but we managed to score well and we put the pressure on the other batsmen as well, and that's why they crumbled and that's why we defeated them in 2 matches, because we made something for our bowlers, not our batsmen. That's my point. You have to challenge yourself. If you want to grab something, you will have to give some tough situations to your players in order to develop them. If your domestic structure is going to have flat track pitches, it is not going to help you, because when you will go outside in the countries like Australia, South Africa, England, where the uh, where the pitches condition will be difficult, your batsman will be exposed and has been exposed as well. So this is the point that I am making. We shall look into this rather than making flat tracks for our players. We shall make a competitive pitch for the bowler and the batter, where there is something for the batsman and there is something for the bowler itself, so that this creates a balance between cricket and bat and ball. And when the balance is equally maintained, the cricket that is being produced is beautifully enjoyed by the players itself. So this is only my opinion. You can argue with me that whether I'm right or not. इसके बाद बात करते हैं हम बीजीटी पे, और बीजेटी बॉर्डर गवास्कर ट्रॉफी आज का पहला दिन था, और पहले दिन में जो है इंग्लैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जो है इंडिया को 180 रन पे ऑल आउट किया, एंड जवाब में मेरे ख्याल से ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जो है 90 रन पे कोई एक आउट है। तो सिचुएशन यही है कि अभी तो आज का दिन तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया डोमिनेट किया, नो डाउट। हम इस पे नहीं कह सकते कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया की नहीं, लेकिन मैं ये भी नहीं रूल ऑफ फैक्टर रूल आउट करूंगा कि इंडिया नहीं कम बैक कर सकती। इंडिया कैन कम बैक। नितेश कुमार रेड्डी, मैंने पहले भी अपनी वीडियो में बात की थी, नितेश कुमार रेड्डी जो है वो बड़ी अच्छी बैटिंग करते हैं, और ही हैज़ बीन परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल एंड ही हैज़ स्कोर्ड a lots of runs under while playing with the tail, and we get to see the character that he has, that he is a fighting player and he knows how to bat under some difficult conditions. But the matter of fact is I have some I have much concerns regarding to Virat Kohli's inclusion in the team of Indian cricket. But to be very honest, for me, he has always been a great player, but now he is not performing well. Even if we say the point that he scored century in the last innings, and he has been performing, or it's just one inning. But to be very honest, if we see the main effort and the main difficulty was been borne by the opening batsmen, because they gave a tremendous start. They gave the start of 200 for no loss, and then one down batsman Shubman Gill kept it further for making 300 for 1 at that time when so Shubman got out, and there was a much better scorecard position, and it was not looking like a very difficult situation for them. Kohli scored in that situation. And Kohli's mostly run was on spinner itself, because yeah, we can say that he scored a century and it is commendable, but it was not in the difficult situation. The team was in a very good situation, and the point is that today they needed him to bat well, but again he played a similar shot that he played in the first innings of the Perth Test, and he went out cheaply. And today he also went out cheaply by replicating the same kind of dismissal that he had while having some intent, and then leaving the ball, and the bat's edge was taken, and it was caught by the slip fielder. But to be very honest, there are some situations and there are some issues that the Team India needs to see, and it's regarding the Kohli's performance. That Kohli has to perform in order to keep his position in the team as well, because there are lots of players coming in and they are performing well. They are playing well in Ranji Trophy. Just they should look into it, because for me the point of concern lies between the Kohli's form, and yes, he scored 100 in the last inning, but it was not in the pressure situation. It was an easy situation where India was in the commanding position and they were in the driver's seat. I would like to see him scoring runs in a difficult situation, and in 3 innings of test match till now in this series, he has failed in two pressure situations when the pressure was not on him and he played his game freely. He scored another 100, and he has been a great player. We shall always be thankful the way he has given us some memorable innings, and he has been a great ambassador to cricket. सो ये थी आज की वीडियो. थोड़ा सा इसमें हम इस पे बात तो हम करते हैं इन चीज़ों पे, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट हमें देखना है. और ये आज की वीडियो है, और बाकी इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे कल और सिचुएशन के साथ बीजीटी की. और बाकी जो आप चाहते हैं जिस तरह हमें अपने वीडियोस को बेहतर करना चाहिए, हम उस तरह से वीडियोस को बेहतर करेंगे. बाकी इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे. वीडियो में अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. नासिर.